India's lithium discovery. Could it change the future of electric vehicles? Recently, India has discovered large reserves of lithium, which could have a significant impact on the global electric vehicle industry. In the UK, the push for electric vehicles has been growing stronger in recent years. The British government has announced plans to ban the sale of new petrol and diesel cars by 2030, and as a result, the demand for lithium has skyrocketed. Lithium is a critical component in the production of electric vehicle batteries. It's what makes these batteries light, efficient, and long-lasting. Without lithium, the electric vehicle industry simply wouldn't exist. Now, with India's discovery of large reserves of lithium, the global supply of this critical mineral could become more stable. This discovery could help the UK and other countries move towards a more sustainable future with electric vehicles. This is a development that could have a significant impact on the future of the electric vehicle industry and the world as a whole. For India and other countries looking to reduce their carbon emissions, this is a hopeful sign that a cleaner, more sustainable future is within reach. As the world races towards a greener future, electric vehicles have taken center stage. And for good reason. Electric vehicles emit significantly less carbon dioxide and pollutants than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries are the lifeblood of electric vehicles. Without lithium, electric cars simply wouldn't be practical. The benefits of lithium-ion batteries extend far beyond the electric vehicle industry, too. These batteries are also used in smartphones, laptops, and other consumer electronics. So, we now know how important lithium is in the electric vehicle industry, but where does India stand when it comes to lithium reserves? The region of Jammu and Kashmir, located in the northernmost part of India, has been discovered to hold a vast reserve of lithium. The Directorate found a staggering 1,600 tons of lithium resources in the Samba district alone, and estimates suggest that the entire region may hold up to 30,000 tons of lithium reserves. The discovery of this lithium reserve in Jammu and Kashmir is a game changer for India's electric vehicle industry. The country is already one of the fastest growing markets for electric vehicles in the world, and this newfound lithium reserve will enable India to become more self-reliant and reduce its dependence on lithium imports. As we saw earlier, the demand for lithium is projected to skyrocket in the coming years as the world moves towards cleaner and greener energy. The Indian government has already shown keen interest in developing these reserves and is working towards setting up a lithium refinery plant in the region. This move will help create local jobs and strengthen India's position as a leading manufacturer of lithium-ion batteries. The Indian government has set an ambitious target of converting the country's entire vehicle fleet to electric by 2030. With an abundant supply of lithium, India can reduce its dependence on imports, develop a sustainable and resilient supply chain, and become Atmanirbhar, or self-reliant. But what exactly does this discovery mean for India's electric vehicle industry? Firstly, the discovery of lithium can provide a secure and affordable supply of raw material for the production of lithium-ion batteries, which can power electric vehicles. India can now reduce its reliance on expensive imports and develop a self-sufficient battery manufacturing industry. However, the road to self-sufficiency is not without challenges. The refining of lithium ore is a complex and energy-intensive process. India currently lacks the infrastructure and technology required to refine lithium ore, which makes it reliant on imports of processed lithium. Global market impact. Firstly, let's talk about the global market impact. India's lithium discovery can have significant implications for the global battery market, which is currently dominated by China and the US. India's aim to become self-sufficient in the production of electric vehicle batteries can provide a boost to its manufacturing sector and create new opportunities for the country to compete with other global players. The production of lithium-ion batteries requires a steady supply of lithium, cobalt, nickel, and manganese, which are the key raw materials used in battery production. These materials are mostly sourced from China and the Congo, making the supply chain vulnerable to market fluctuations and geopolitical tensions. With the discovery of lithium reserves in India, the country can reduce its dependence on these imports and strengthen its domestic manufacturing capabilities. Secondly, let's discuss how the discovery of lithium can benefit India's manufacturing sector and help it become a global manufacturing leader. India has always been known for its low-cost manufacturing capabilities, and with the discovery of lithium reserves, the country can now expand its manufacturing base to produce electric vehicle batteries. India's vast manufacturing potential, coupled with the discovery of lithium, can help the country become a major player in the global battery market. With the government's focus on renewable energy, India has the potential to become a hub for the production of electric vehicles and their components. This will not only help the country in achieving its aim of becoming Atmanirbhar, but will also provide employment opportunities to millions of people. India must also invest in R&D to develop next-generation batteries that are efficient, long-lasting, and cost-effective. Environmental impacts and sustainable mining. Mining lithium can have serious environmental consequences, from water depletion to soil contamination. The extraction process is energy-intensive, and the waste produced during mining can be toxic to the environment. As India ramps up its lithium production, it must ensure that it does so in a sustainable manner. The government has recognized this and has proposed a policy that requires miners to undertake environmental impact assessments before starting operations. The government has also indicated that it will promote the use of eco-friendly mining technologies and recycling to ensure the sustainable extraction of lithium. Recycling of lithium batteries is another way to minimize the environmental impact of mining. The government can incentivize the recycling of batteries and also invest in research to develop efficient recycling technologies. While India aims to meet its increasing demand for lithium, it must ensure that it does not harm the environment. Sustainable mining practices are crucial for the long-term success of India's lithium industry. Summary. We hope you found this video informative and interesting. India's recent discovery of lithium reserves has the potential to shape the future of the electric vehicle industry, both in India and around the world. However, it is important to remember the potential environmental impacts of lithium mining and refining. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.